Hello and welcome to New Parents in Training. So we recently bought a dash cam for our SUV. Now today I'm going to show you how to install this dash cam using the 12-volt power cable into your cigarette socket. In the subsequent videos, I'm going to show you how to install the rear camera and also how to hotwire your camera into your car. Now we have an SUV, but the process will be the same for sedan or different type of dash cam for that matter. If you find this video to be helpful, please hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so. Now the tool that you will need for the cigarette part, the first part will be something like this, because you might want to hide your cable. So you need something that's made out of plastic, not metal. So try not to use a flathead screwdriver. And a towel, some kind of masking tape, but since I don't have masking tape, I'm just using the Scotch tape and rubbing alcohol, something to wipe down the window off. Make sure you have your app.
Continuous recording will now start.
Now once you have connected, open up the app.
Connected to a smartphone.
Okay, once you have connected that live view, so what you need to do now is to find a spot on the windshield. As you can see here, the green line has to be on the front edge of the hood, and then the blue line is in the center. So I use a masking tape, like this is the edge where I need to put this on. And now that I found the right spot, I'll clean this up with some alcohol. So once this spot is being cleaned, then it's easier for the double-sided tape to go onto the window. All right, so I peel off the 3M tape and I put it on here where I line up with the masking tape I have, and yeah, it's on now. And according to the screen, as you can see, the green line is right at the edge of the hood, and also the blue line is more or less in the center. So this is on. This is not going anywhere. Okay, so time to install this cable. Now what I'm gonna do is run to the top here and then run to the pillar here. Now this part is very easy to take apart, so you're gonna run through here and run down. So you kind of want to have a mock-up. Now the cable is quite long, so you can kind of run through it to see if whether or not you actually have the cable long enough. You don't want to in the middle of it and then realize the cable runs short. So I'm going to run through all the way here, down here, and this part I can pry it out. And I'm going to run through the carpet. Like the carpet, I can lift it up and then just go around here, and then at the end it will come up here and into the cigarette socket here. So the whole process is just pretty much tucking the cable. That's about it. Now it will be much easier if you have one of those tools to kind of push the cable in, but if you don't have it, using your fingers works just the same. Now I would strongly suggest to kind of go through here, make the line straight. They do provide you with some cable management tools. There's little tabs, so you can put one here and then kind of run it through. Now let me show you really quick what I mean. But my final idea is not using the cigarette port. I'm gonna do the hard wire. So after I'm installing this, I'm going to take this apart and then show you how to do the hard wiring part. So but anyway, for the time being, now it shouldn't be that hard to push this in. As you can see, I'm like, the cable is already inside. So this way you can hide all the cables. Now be careful, as there might be some current side airbags. You don't want to make the cable get in the way. But on the side of the pillar is fine. So don't worry about like prying this out. There's no screws, so you can just pull it back and then push it back in there once you are done with it. And same thing here. So this water stripping is very easy to put back. I'll go and show you in a little bit. But basically what you need to do is like so. And down here. The side of things. So it might be tricky at times. Just try to tuck as much as you can inside. Now up until this point, this part you can pry out as well. So use something to pry open. So basically you just tuck the cable in. As far as for the carpet, and then put the cigarette lighter in. And now basically just pull everything back with a stripping. So that's how you install the front camera using the 12-volt power cable into your cigarette socket. It's really simple. Basically what you need to do is just figure out a spot to put your camera. Make sure your camera be able to see the front full view. Once you have done so, then just matter of tucking in the cable and run it through your carpet. If you have a carpet, it's easier to hide your cable that way and into the cigarette socket. Now in the next video, I'm going to show you how to install the rear camera. And on the third one, I'm going to show you how to hardwire your dash cam into the car. If you have any questions, comment down below. Until next time, bye.